BlackRock is officially partnering with Solana to bring institutional grade RWAs or real world assets. Now, this is huge because you're talking about BlackRock, who already manages about $13 trillion worth of assets, which is already 4 times the amount of the total amount of money in the crypto space currently, which is give or take around 4 times the amount of the total market cap of the crypto space as a whole. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ and I've helped over 1,300 people learn how to trade crypto since 2021. Now, when you're looking at the Solana chart, we did create brand new all-time highs. We had a liquidity sweep that pushed up to about $296, but we did not hit the unicorn number of 300 yet. And since that point, we saw a nice little retracement. Price has done a nice pull down. We've been in a bearish crossover so far. You can see the MACD and the CCI and everything like that are already oversold, but starting to show potentials for a hidden bullish divergence. And you're starting to see volume potentially hold above the zero mean VFI as well. And this is all happening within the Epic Golden Pocket, which is in between the 6180 and the 7860 Fibonacci. If you want to come trade with me or get access to our academy, buy and sell signals, the community, even all of the free resources that are available on this website, you can go to epictradingfloor.com. I'll tag it in the video as well as the description. And if you want to get all access, you can try it for free for 72 hours. Now, this Epic Golden Pocket hold is also a very strong support. This is technically a triple or quadruple test of support on the daily time frame. This is a really good area to find support. And with this macro news tying in, if the market want to swing back up to the top side, I think that this time we could easily see this push over 300 and potentially push up to the $370 range, which would be the take profit 3 based on the Fibonacci retracement to extension. And even looking at the overall macros of the market, you can see volume is inflowing on the 24-hour. Pretty much the entire crypto market is reacting positively to the US job data falling short. Mind you, as the US dollar weakens and the economy weakens, that strengthens high risk assets like crypto. But in general, I would love to see Solana hit that $300 mark and potentially push up into the high threes. And that's just one Fibonacci impulse move as well. This could theoretically get into the $400, $500, $600 range as we're going into the super cycle itself. It all depends on the macro conditions and how much money could potentially flow into the Solana ecosystem. So that'll wrap this video up. If you do want to stay up to date with any of this or you want to come trade with me, just comment Epic below, or you can go to epictradingfloor.com. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. That'd be greatly appreciated. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, and I will see you on the next video.